So when I meet with people that have these beautiful colonial, kind of what I call Americana style homes, one of the important things that comes out of it from a design perspective is grid pattern. So colonials are known for having, grids in the windows, especially at least in the front elevation. We can do a couple different things with windows. We can do grids between the glass, or we can do what's called simulated divided light. So you can get that true old-fashioned individual pane design where the grids actually protrude on the interior and the exterior outside of the glass so that it gives you a very historic look. But with colonials, we can do just about any grid pattern that someone wants to do. And so that's one of the things that we'll work through in the design process, the design consultation, to make sure that we get the right grid patterns that fit that colonial look, as well as the proper style window. So are we looking to do a double hung or a single hung window? Do we like the idea of casements, picture windows? All things that we work through in the design process to make sure that we're dialing in on exactly what looks best for your home. The nice thing about the different grid technology that's come around over the last several years is you can do it with pretty much any window style. So that can be with a vinyl window, a wood window, or a fiberglass window, and super customizable. So we can pick pretty much any grid pattern you'd like to do with any style of window. With colonial style homes, it seems to be a lot of white windows. In the past, it was a lot of stained wood windows, but it seems like people are kind of pivoting more to an all white look. The nice thing about windows nowadays, whether it's wood, fiberglass, or vinyl, is you can get a different color finish on the exterior and the interior. So let's say all your interior work is trim is white. You can do a white interior window as well as doing a stained wood finish on the outside, or let's say a black finish or a gray or a bronze. You have all those options with windows, so it doesn't have to be the same color in and out. It really comes down to what fits the interior design and exterior design you're looking for.